Capricorn 2020 monthly horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Capricorn horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 is your birthday month, will be filled with positivity. February 2020 is an exciting month when you will have multiple plans rolling out at the same time. March 2020 is a good month for higher education or pursuing some new skill on the job front. April 2020 is a month of introspection and planning. Think well before coming to a final decision. May 2020 is the right time to put your plans into action. Do not doubt your capabilities. June 2020 is a period when you need to move forward carefully but not make any hasty decisions. July 2020 is when you have to lead your team to victory. Be it work or love, you need to make the first move. August 2020 is a month that needs balance at all turns. Learning from experience will prove to be beneficial. September 2020 is when you need to stop looking into minor issues and instead think of the plan as a whole. October 2020 is an inspiring month when you will be focused on achieving your goal. November 2020 is when others need your support, love, and help. So don't think twice before caring for someone in need. December 2020 is an excellent month for planning your love and professional life. Thanks for watching my videos. Please send us your questions through comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.